Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: an active WhatsApp account, the phone number registered in the app, and a stable connection. Once ready, open WhatsApp, tap Settings, then Account, and choose two-step verification. You're not just enabling a toggle, you're creating a PIN that prevents unauthorized re-registration. Enter a 6-digit PIN you'll remember but others won't guess. Make sure to press Next to confirm the PIN and proceed to the next step only after the app accepts it. After setting your PIN, add a recovery email so you can regain access if you forget the code. Tap Add Email, type your address, and check your inbox for the verification message. Confirm it promptly. Once confirmed, WhatsApp links that email to your two-step protection. You can also choose whether WhatsApp will occasionally ask for your PIN when you open the app. Enable it for extra security. These steps reduce lockouts while keeping your account recoverable without sacrificing protection. Finish by backing out to confirm the feature shows as enabled in Account two-step verification. If you want to test, carefully try re-registering WhatsApp on another device to ensure the PIN and email prompt appear. If something goes wrong, use the recovery email to reset the PIN. If you didn't add one, WhatsApp may force a 7-day wait before allowing re-registration. Make sure you keep the PIN and recovery email secure, and update the email immediately if you lose access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.